to
the 199 has 11, so you get 12 additional stitches.
I want to see that.
What I'll do is turn the dial to the feather stitch S and a wide width, and the center stitch pulls down in the ditch, making the stitch look hand sewn. This is the same stitch. And you can see the way that it really is supposed to be sewn. The center stitch pulls down in the ditch, making it look hand sewn. Right there, stitch in the ditch. So pass that out.
I like that. The arrow points that way.
There's another little piece of denim. I'll sew it on here.
You have to start cutting your pants up.
I know. I'll sew it on this little piece here. This is a turkey track stitch, which is another decorative quilting stitch. This is a blanket stitch for edging around a quilter blanket. And this is a
Thank you. That's okay.
turkey track. This is a honeycomb stitch. That's the honeycomb, triple zigzag. It sews over each stitch 3 times, giving you a much thicker look on a zigzag. But on this side here are a few of the stitches off of that model. This one does have the needle threader, and to operate that you just pull a lever down, place a thread in front of the needle, and that threads the needle for you.
Oh, yes.
And this one comes with this kit here, and in the kit there's a lot of accessories. Sort of slipped out of the spot. This is a straight stitch 1/4 inch quilting foot. This is a walking foot, stippling foot.
Hiding down there.
Yeah, there's another one under here. This is a appliquing foot. This one. Stippling foot. This is a rolled hem and a cording foot, twin needle. So I want to use those too if I can.
These all come with it?
Yeah,
that
with this one here.
What's the price?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay.
You get a motor with the first one?
There's something in there I was looking for. Thank you.
This is the 129.
Yeah.